Hey travelers, welcome to another video with Explore with Kojo. Today we are covering the topic of is it worth to visit Warsaw, Poland? We will discuss Poland's vibrant capital city, where history meets modernity, and every corner tells a story. In this video, I will be taking you on a journey through the heart of Warsaw, exploring its rich history, cultural attractions, culinary delights, and much more. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, Warsaw has something for everyone. As a Warsaw resident myself, who has lived in the city for 5 years, I'm here to cover its significance and background to help you decide if it's worth to travel to the beautiful city. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's delve into Warsaw's captivating history, tracing its roots back in its resilience and reconstruction following the devastation of World War II. The city's vibrant old town, meticulously rebuilt from the rubble, stands as a testament to its indomitable spirit and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From the Warsaw Uprising to the post-war rebuilding efforts, Warsaw's history is a compelling narrative of triumph over adversity. Now, what cultural attractions does Warsaw have to offer? Warsaw boasts a wealth of cultural attractions, from world-class museums to renowned theaters. The Poland Museum of the History of Polish Jews offers an exploration of centuries of Jewish history, while the Royal Castle invites visitors to immerse themselves in Poland's royal past. With a variety of art galleries and performance venues, Warsaw is a cultural hub that captivates and inspires. Warsaw's culinary scene is a celebration of hearty flavors and traditional recipes passed down through generations. From the iconic pierogi filled with savory or sweet fillings to the aromatic stew known as bigos to the wide variety of soups, Warsaw's culinary scene is a gastronomic delight. Whether dining at a trendy cafe or an upscale restaurant, visitors can savor the authentic taste of Poland in every bite. Now, let's talk about Warsaw's incredible variety of green spaces and parks. Warsaw's parks and gardens provide tranquil escapes amidst the urban bustle. Łazienki Park, with its majestic palace and serene lake, offers a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls and outdoor concerts. The Saxon Garden, one of the oldest public parks in Warsaw, provides a peaceful retreat with its manicured lawns and historic monuments. Although, as the sun sets, Warsaw comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. From pulsating clubs to cozy bars and chic lounges, there's something for everyone to enjoy after dark. Cultural enthusiasts can indulge in music festivals, film screenings, and theatrical performances that showcase Warsaw's dynamic cultural landscape, especially Nowy Świat, which is a vibrant street in the heart of Warsaw. It is lined with bars, pubs, and clubs as it offers something for everyone seeking evening entertainment. From cozy taverns to chic cocktail lounges, it truly buzzes with activity after dark. Nowy Świat is a must-visit destination in Warsaw for those looking to experience a nightlife scene. Moving on to Warsaw's shopping scene, as it is a blend of old warm charm and modern convenience. Historic marketplaces like the Old Town Market Square offers a treasure trove of artisanal crafts and souvenirs. While modern malls such as Złote Tarasy caters to fashion-forward shoppers with its international brands and designer boutiques. Unique Polish products such as amber jewelry, handmade ceramics, and traditional folk art make for memorable keepsakes of a visit to Warsaw. Now, compared to other European capitals, Warsaw offers excellent value for money without compromising on quality. The cost of living and travel expenses in Warsaw are generally lower, making it an attractive destination for budget-conscious travelers. From accommodations to dining and attractions, visitors can experience the best of Warsaw without breaking the bank. The national currency in Poland is the Polish zloty, abbreviated as PLN. Banknotes come in denominations of 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 zloty bills. It's widely accepted throughout the country, and currency exchange services are readily available at banks exchange offices, and airports for visitors needing to convert their money. Credit and debit cards are widely used in Poland, especially in urban areas and its tourist destinations. Overall, immersing oneself in local experiences is the key to truly discovering Warsaw's charm. Whether indulging in a hearty meal at a traditional milk bar or attending a Chopin piano recital in a historic venue, these unique experiences offer insights into Warsaw's culture and traditions that cannot be found in guidebooks. Warsaw's accessibility and transportation is convenient and widely accessible, thanks to its efficient public transportation system. Trams, buses, and the metro connect key attractions and neighborhoods, making it easy for visitors to explore the city. For international travelers, English is widely spoken, ensuring smooth communication and seamless navigation. Warsaw's public transport is relatively affordable, offering various ticket options to suit different travel needs. Single ride tickets for buses, trams, and the metro can be purchased from ticket machines located at metro stations, bus stops, and some tram stops. Additionally, tickets can be bought from kiosks, selected shops, and on board some vehicles. For convenience, travelers can also opt for day passes or multi-day passes, providing unlimited travel within specified timeframes. Speaking about day trips, is the world of natural beauty and historical wonders. Day trips to nearby destinations such as the royal town of Łazienki, located just a short distance from Warsaw. Known for its stunning palace and picturesque gardens, Łazienki is a tranquil oasis where visitors can stroll through landscape parks, admire historic architecture, and even catch a glimpse of resident peacocks roaming freely. The palace on the water, also known as the Łazienki Palace, is a highlight offering insight into Poland's royal history and serving as a venue for concerts and cultural events. Another popular day trip option is Campinos National Park, a vast expanse of wilderness located on the outskirts of Warsaw. Here, nature enthusiasts can immerse themselves in pristine forests, tranquil lakes, and diverse wildlife habitats. Visitors can explore hiking trails, go bird watching, or simply relax amidst the serene surroundings. The park also boasts cultural attractions such as historic manor houses and traditional wooden churches, providing insights into Poland's rural heritage. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures or a cultural escape, day trips from Warsaw offer a wealth of experiences that showcase the natural beauty and rich heritage of the region, making them an ideal addition to an itinerary. Throughout the year, Warsaw's cultural calendar is rich with an eclectic mix of festivals and events that showcase the city's diverse heritage and artistic vibrancy. Throughout the year, Warsaw's cultural calendar is rich with an eclectic mix of festivals and events that showcase the city's diverse heritage and artistic vibrancy. From the prestigious Warsaw Film Festival, which is an esteemed cinematic event drawing filmmakers and movie lovers worldwide. It features a diverse lineup of international films, from independent gems to mainstream hits, making it a premier destination for discovering new cinematic talents and groundbreaking movies. To even the legendary Jazz Jamboree, echoing with soulful melodies, excitement on the streets year-round. Beyond these highlights, Warsaw hosts smaller-scale festivals celebrating contemporary music, street food, and the arts, offering immersive experiences for all. Each event enriches Warsaw's cultural tapestry, inviting locals and visitors to revel in creativity and tradition, whether through cutting-edge music at the Warsaw Autumn International Festival or diverse flavors at the Warsaw Street Food Festival. With its dynamic scene, Warsaw promises unforgettable cultural immersion, unveiling the essence of Poland's capital to all who explore it. Warsaw's architectural landscape narrates a compelling tale of resilience and evolution, mirroring the city's history and rapid modernization. The meticulously reconstructed buildings of the Old Town stand as reminders of Warsaw's enduring spirit, while imposing socialist realist structures and sleek modern skyscrapers showcase its innovative spirit. This fascinating blend of old and new reflects Warsaw's ability to adapt and thrive, offering visitors a captivating journey through time and architectural styles that embody the city's rich heritage and dynamic character. While Polish serves as the official language of Warsaw, English enjoys widespread usage, particularly in tourist hubs and among the younger demographic. Though grasping a few common Polish phrases can enrich the travel experience and facilitate connections with locals, visitors will discover that communication in English is generally seamless and hassle-free across the city. This linguistic blend ensures that exploring Warsaw is not only culturally enriching, but also remarkably accessible, welcoming travelers from all corners of the globe with open arms. Alright travelers, that will make it for our video today on if it's worth visiting Warsaw. Now you may have a rounded view of Warsaw, allowing you to decide if this beautiful city aligns with your travel interests. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for Explore with Kojo for more content about some exclusive tips and tricks from all over the world. I'm Julia, and see you soon.